Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, the elusive transfer of technology. Then why AL-31F never made it into Indian fighter jet? India's quest for TOT for the American F414 engine has been widely reported, and the willingness of the US to provide local manufacturing rights for the engine is seen as a significant step towards reducing India's reliance on Russia and other countries' fighter jet. India has long relied on Russian-made aircraft since the early 1960s and still maintain a substantial fleet of Russian origin jets. Next, Pakistan sees Turkey's first fifth generation fighter as F-16 replacer. Pakistan has reportedly expressed interest in acquiring the TAI Khan, Turkey's first fifth generation fighter, from Turkish Aerospace Industries once it completes its developmental trials around 2030, according to local media reports. While Pakistan had initiated its own local level development program for a fifth generation fighter under Project AZM at the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, it has now come to a halt due to a lack of industrial infrastructure to carry out a full-scale engineering program. Next, India initiates construction of strategic road adjacent to Pangong Lake to counter China. In a bid to strengthen its position and address security concerns along the line of actual control, India has commenced the construction of a vital road on the eastern side of Pangong Lake. This move comes as a part of India's efforts to counter China's assertive actions in the region. Next, Agni Prime ballistic missile successfully flight tested off Odisha coast. The first pre-induction night launch, I'm talking about night launch, of new generation ballistic missile Agni Prime was successfully flight tested by Defense Research and Development Organization from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha on Wednesday at around 7:30 p.m. A DRDO statement said on Thursday. As per the official statement, during the first test, all objectives were successfully demonstrated. This was the first pre-induction night launch conducted after 3 successful development trials of the missile, validating the accuracy and reliability of the system. Next, serial production of Baykar's drones set to begin in 2024. Turkey's first indigenous unmanned fighter aircraft Bayraktar KZ Lima, developed by Baykar Technology, is progressing towards serial production with plans to commence in 2024. Baykar, a prominent Turkish defense company, achieved a significant milestone when the KJ Lelma rolled off the production line in November 2022. Following this, a series of ground tests were successfully completed at the Flight Training and Test Center in the northwest province of Tekirdağ. Tekirdağ district. Thank you.